Here's the problem with weighing yourself, which is why I dislike it so much. Right now, our members are absolutely rocking this 30-day challenge. We have people that are experiencing new places to work out. They're spending time with friends and family in a healthy manner, like working out together, making food together, eating together. People are losing inches on their waist. Their clothes are fitting better. And the problem is that once you weigh yourself and continue to step on the scale, you forget it's like all that stuff doesn't matter. All we want to see is those tangible results. I'm not saying you should never weigh yourself. It's really the biggest issue is when you continually weigh yourself over and over again. I've talked to people that weigh themselves and don't even work out or don't even change their eating habits. They're just kind of hoping that the scale is going down and not putting in any action. So there's tons and tons of results that you can find in a program, but unfortunately, those are mostly found when you don't weigh yourself.